Hello, and welcome to Pictor Network, the powerful GPU platform for AI and ML workloads. In this video, we will guide you on how to rent our on-demand GPUs. To get started, head over to pictor.network and click Launch App. Access the Pictor web app and sign in with your Google account or simply connect a crypto wallet like 𝗡𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏. In this tutorial, we will continue with Google. With this method, an 𝗡𝗏𝗏𝗏 keyless wallet will be created automatically for you. Note that before renting, you'll need credits. Go to the payment and billing page and buy credits using USDT or USD. Next, navigate to GPU renting and go to the Marketplace tab. Here, you will see all supported GPU models and operating systems. Start by selecting your preferred OS type, then choose the GPU model you want. Once selected, you can customize your instance, such as the GPU count, storage amount, etc. Then move on to configure instance details, including instance name, rental duration, and choose whether to enable the auto-renewal option. Note that the connection method differs depending on the operating system. If you select Linux, you'll connect via SSH. Simply add your SSH keys here. If you select Windows, you'll connect via remote desktop. Enter your RDP password here. Finally, double-check all the details in the summary section, most importantly, the total cost. When you're ready, click Rent Instance and confirm to create the instance. Your instance will now be created and will appear in the Instance tab for you to manage. Wait a bit for it to start. Once the status shows Running, click the Connect button. For the Linux instance, copy the SSH connection info here. Paste the info into your terminal. And now you can access your instance directly to start your work. For the Windows instance, download the RDP file. Open File and enter your password to connect. You are now on the remote machine. Just use it as your own computer, set up tools, and start your work right away. From the same tab, you also have other options to stop the instance, extend your rental, or manage other settings. Managing GPU instances with API keys. You can also use API keys to programmatically manage GPU instances. With these keys, you can handle machine operations and automate your AI or ML workflows with ease. To get started, go to the API keys page and generate your API key. Then authorize your key, and now you can use APIs to perform tasks like checking list of supported GPUs. Select the model that you want to rent. Then, check whether the selected GPU is available. Creating a new instance. Stop the created instance. Start the instance that you just stopped. And finally, delete it, etc. API keys allow you to automate repetitive tasks, save time, and manage GPU resources more efficiently. Check our API docs for more details here. Collaborate with teams. Pictor also offers a team feature to make collaboration simple and efficient. If you're working on projects with multiple users or complex workflows, the team feature lets you share GPU resources under a single account while keeping centralized control. To get started, go to the Teams page. Create your team, and then you can invite members to join your team. You can even set permissions so team members can access and use specific services on Pictor as you want. And that's how you can rent and manage your GPU instances easily on Pictor. Start building your next big thing.